In the description, I will provide a link to the website. Let's install it. Here is the command to copy. Next, open your PowerShell, but I recommend running it as an administrator. Paste the command we copied earlier. Now let's see if it has been installed successfully. Let's fix this error. I will provide the command below in the description. Type Y to yes. Type this command again. It has been successfully installed on our machine. Paste this command to bring it back to restricted. Type A to yes to all. To check if it's restricted, type this command. It's working. Thanks for watching.